Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Use our voices is important in itself. Stop. We often hear such remarks as stop, she has such a pleasing speaking voice, or her voice really gets me down. Stop. I simply could not live with it. Stop. And it is true that there are voices we like to hear and voices that we do not like to hear. Stanza. Few of us really know the sound of our own voices. Stop. It seems that our hearing is not planned in such a way as to let us hear ourselves perfectly. Stop. We therefore often go through life thinking we speak in one way when, in fact, we speak in some quite different way. Stop. Our opportunities for hearing our own voices are much better than they used to be because recording machines are now quite common, and most of us can find an opportunity at some time or another to speak into such a machine and then have the record played back. Stop. Generally, such an experience is a surprise. Stop. I was personally very much surprised at my own voice. Stop. The first time I heard a record of it was some years ago. Stop. I was in a strange town, and I went into a big store. Stop. This store offered for quite a small sum to let you speak into the recording machine and they would then send the record of your voice to any part of the world. Stop. I thought it would be good to send a few words home to my mother, and I accordingly thought up a few words, said them, paid, and went away. Stop. Some weeks afterwards, I heard the record. Stop. It was a surprise, but not just the kind of surprise I like. Stop. I had always thought I had a rather light voice and said my words reasonably quickly. Stop. I found that on the record my voice was low, almost deep, and that I had been speaking at a very low rate. Stanza. More recently, I made a full-size record, speaking throughout at 100 words a minute, but the result was just the same. Stop. On the play-back, I heard a low, rather deep voice, speaking at about 10 words a minute. Stanza. We can never really know ourselves, what we look like, what we sound like, how our actions appear to others. Stop. Perhaps this is just as well because, even if we cannot really see ourselves as we are, it is equally certain that other people do not see us as we really are, either. Stop. The opinions each person holds about another person are influenced by that person's many experiences, as well as by the quality of the person's own hearing and seeing. Stanza. There is one thing that we can do, however, and that is to train ourselves to speak and act in a way that we ourselves believe to be satisfactory. Stop. If we cannot please others, we can at least try to please ourselves, comma, but it is important, comma, highly important, in fact, comma, that we try to follow only the best examples, full stop, over.